Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, I'm gonna be making sorrel cake. Yes, guys, so over here I have the ingredients, so take a look. And this is the sorrel puree that I'm gonna be using. Come on, guys. And all the measurements for this recipe, guys, the link will be in the description box down below. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cream the butter and the sugar. Here I'm going to go ahead and sift the flour, and when you sift the flour it becomes lighter, therefore air will trap inside your cake and you will get a better tasting cake. Here are the mixed spices, and be mindful when using the mixed spices. Don't overdo it because then your cake will become bitter. Make sure that you're using the correct measurements and your cake will come out perfectly. Now that I've finished sieving my flour, guys, the flour is very light and refined. Look at this flour, guys. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to scrape the side of my bowl, ensuring that everything incorporates nicely. Now I'm gonna go in with my eggs in small portions. Do not add all the eggs at once, and I'll continue mixing, guys. Try not to beat the eggs too much or over mixing the mixture. You can do this on low speed. Now that I've finished mixing in the eggs, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the mixed fruits. And to the mixed fruits, guys, I will be adding some sorrel wine. That's what I'm gonna be using to blend out the mixed fruits. Now, guys, I am using some secret ingredients in this recipe. So in order to find out what the secret ingredients are, you will have to click the link down below in the description box, and it will take you straight to my website where you can get all the measurements and ingredients for this recipe. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. God bless you guys so much. I love you all. Thanks again. Look at this. Wow. Time to add the flour, and I will be doing this in small portions and then I'll continue mixing. Now I'll clean the side of my bowl, making sure that all my ingredients incorporate properly, and then I'll continue mixing. Okay, guys, so now it's time to add the sorrel puree to the mixture. Look at this sorrel puree, guys. Look how beautiful this is. The color is so rich. Yes, guys, when you're making your sorrel cake, look for that rich dark red sorrel. You will get a beautiful color when you make the cake. Wait a minute, guys, did you like this video as yet? Then what are you waiting on? Go ahead and smash up that like button. Remember to share this video with your friends and families so that they can learn how to make all these goodies. And if it's your first time here on Delicious Delights, please do not leave without subscribing and touching that notification bell. It will alert you when a new video is posted. Thank you so much for your support. God bless each and every one of you, and don't forget to put him first in everything that you're doing. To the mixture, I'm going to be adding the vanilla now, and then the remaining balance of the sorrel wine, I will be adding it also. Then I'm going to continue with the mixing process. Look at this batter, guys. This is how it should be. You don't want a stiff batter, so try not to use too much flour. Stick to the measurements. Okay, look at it. It is so beautiful. It is coming on nicely, guys. Very, very nice sorrel cake. So here's a little trick, guys. If you want to know if your batter is at the right texture, what you'll do, just stick your wooden spoon right in the center of it, and as long as the spoon is standing and not falling, there you go. Perfect, perfect texture. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. And make sure you try out this recipe and put it on your table for Christmas. Okay, guys, I went ahead and prepared the pans. I already greased them and sealed them. So here I'm pouring in the mixture. Wow, look at that, guys. It smells so good and tastes good as well. Guys, here's another secret. When baking your sorrel cakes, don't bake them on high heat, because the heat will cause the cake to lose its color, and you wouldn't want that to happen. Okay? Okay, guys, also do not slam the pan down on the countertop. Just gently give it a little rock, just like so, because you don't want the cakes to fall or lean in the pan when the cake finishes baking. So just handle it gently, okay? Okay, guys, so I already preheated my oven to 200 degrees, and I will be baking these cakes for 1 hour and 35 minutes, but the cakes won't be ready in an hour, so I'll come back after 45 minutes and check them, and then I'll see you guys when the cakes finish baking. Stay tuned. It's that time, guys. It's time to remove the cakes from the oven. Oh, wow. Look at those sorrel cakes, guys. So beautiful, looking very yummy and delicious. Oh my gosh. Look at my Christmas sorrel cakes. Ain't these beautiful, guys? Try out the recipe. Look, guys, don't mind little cracks on the cake, guys. It's just a cake, and at least the sorrel wine will soak through it nicely. Okay? Beautiful, beautiful Christmas sorrel cakes. Here I'm testing the cakes, guys, and the cakes are ready, as you can see. Yes. So what I'll do next, I have my sorrel wine here, so I'm going to use it and brush the top of the cakes, just like so. These cakes are so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to dig into the cake. I can't wait to taste the cake. Yes, make sure you are liking up the videos and sharing the videos out. Do not keep Delicious Delights to yourself alone. Share up the videos. Thank you so much. Okay guys, stay tuned for the beautiful display of these beautiful Christmas sorrel cakes. Here you have them guys. Look at these beautiful, beautiful, very beautiful Christmas sorrel cakes. Look at these guys. Ain't these beautiful? Don't you want to try a piece? Oh my goodness. Look at these. Thank you guys for such a wonderful year. And to everyone who shared my videos out, thank you guys so much. And to everyone who like and comment, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all for your continuous support. Now guys, I'm going to cut the cake because I want to taste a piece of this cake and tell you how the cake tastes. All right? I want you all to have a Merry Christmas and a happy, happy New Year. And remember to put God first in everything that you're doing and be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Look at this cake, guys. Wow. Let's get straight into it now. So good. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye guys. Bye.